Hello friends at Alpine Bethel. We are the Gonzalez's, missionaries to Japan, and we are so thankful to you for your support, for your prayers, and the way that you correspond with us. This video is to show you just a little bit of the work that we do. It is a children's Bible day camp. It is in English, and that attracts a lot of our kids. This year we had about 60 people working together for about 27 to 30 kids that came every day. And at the very outcome, at the very end of the camp, we had 8 children that accepted Jesus Christ as their personal Savior, and all their friends that have come ever since to the church plant that we're doing. We do church plant, we do English as a second language, we do a lot of other activities to bring people into the knowledge of Jesus Christ, and we even have guitar classes to bring people to the knowledge of Jesus. Thank you so much for allowing us to be your missionaries here, and thank you again and again and again for your support. God bless you.
Do not forget your own understanding. I will never be the same. I'm trusting Jesus' holy name. I love Him with all I do, and I'm free to sing for you.